Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Create or sign into your Azure account, pick the subscription and preferred region, and enable Azure AI Studio. Once done, provision an AI resource or cognitive services instance because you need an endpoint and API keys to call models. Make sure to set appropriate roles, contributor or cognitive services user, so you can manage keys and deployments. Also, confirm billing and quota, limits up front to avoid interruptions, while you move to building and testing. Once your resource exists, deploy a model or select an Azure-hosted model and give the deployment a clear name. You configure parameters like max tokens, temperature, and input schema so responses match your needs, then run tests with realistic sample prompts to validate outputs. Next, integrate using the Azure SDK or direct REST calls. Store API keys and connection strings in Azure Key Vault to reduce exposure. While testing, iterate on prompts and settings until latency and accuracy meet your acceptance criteria. Finish by integrating the API into your application code, adding retries and explicit error handling so users see graceful failures. Once integrated, optimize prompts and caching to reduce cost and latency, and configure auto-scale or capacity settings as traffic grows. Set monitoring and alerts for quota and error spikes so you react quickly. If something goes wrong, check the API keys and endpoint, verify resource region and quota. Confirm key vault permissions, then rerun sample calls to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.